The copy command copies data from your current file and puts it into a file you choose, or into a new file. How much you copy depends on where you click on the tree control. Copy is a data menu item, so you can also access it by right-clicking in the tree control pane or using the accelerator key. The dialog boxes that open when you use the copy command are largely the same, no matter whether you're copying a file, a site, a measurement, a region, a collection, a data source group, sections or forms, and we are going to have a look at copying a file. Copying a file is a good way of getting data from a relational database or a server and putting it into a Hilltop file. First, you need to set the time range of the data you want to copy here, and you can speed things up by using these buttons if they're appropriate. From Graph takes the time range from the graph we last drew. If you tick this box, Manager will take a look at your destination file and only copy data that's more recent than what's already there. And ticking here means Manager won't copy data from any sites that aren't already in your destination file. This is handy to extract information from a large source file and put it into a smaller destination file. Use this box when you want to copy recent data into another file so you can keep the original file intact and use the new file as a working file to play with. In this case, you'll need to select the data file that has your final archive, and Manager will look at what's in this file and copy any data more recent than what's there, giving you a working file with data that's not already in the archive. Next, you need to choose a destination file. This button sets the destination file to be the same as the source file. But that's not what I want in this case. We can choose from the list or click More to search or enter a new file. We'll call ours Demo Copy. Highly imaginative, I know. The file name extension determines the type of data file, and there are several types to choose from. .hts is a Hilltop file. Choose zip if you need to email your file. Hilltop supports various XML dialects. The default is Hilltop XML, but you can add a second file name extension to set another dialect. For example, if I put .wml2.xml, the software will write the XML in the Water ML2 dialect. Right, we'll just get rid of that. We'll tick Open File when copy completes because it's a good way of knowing if our copy has worked. It'll most likely come unstuck when reading from a relational database. A common trap for young players is where a data source is defined in the source file but not in your own Hilltop tables. Click Go when you're ready to copy. Here we've copied data for our own use. Take a look at how we could transfer that data to other people in sending and receiving data.